doing a camera race. You know what that means? Whoop, whoop. That's right. Mom's Race got money. Burn, baby. Hold on. Mr. Mom's Racing. Look at this, guys. YouTube moment in history. If I ever seen one. Got Yellow Mountain here at Mr. Mom's Racing. Come see what the 60-footer's all about. Guess what we're racing tonight? Oh. Look at this. GoPros. Oh, look at that, guys. Yes, it gets more epic than that.
This will be the winner.
That's mine. Thank you. Yeah.
Oh, man. Wow. That had to hurt. Wow.
Okay. You heard it from the man himself. Hold tight.
You're going to cut that out.
Yeah. Okay, guys. Here we go. YouTube. GoPro moment. Camera check. Camera check. Joe, camera check. Son of a gun. We don't have our helicopter cam running. Okay, it doesn't matter. Okay, you ready, Terry?
You got audio check?
All right, okay. Joe. Joe, you ready? Hurry up! Woo! Yeah! Oh boy, look at that! Hold on, guys. Hold on. Oh. How you like me now? Oh, wait.
That was mine.
I know. Yeah. Oh, look at you. You fast, baby. Okay. Hold tight, guys.
So yours was 1080, right?
Yeah, mine's 1080. Okay, guys. We've got a lane change on the 60-footer. Yellow Mountain. Hurry up!
I got that.
That's my car. See, every time you do that, it's my car.
It is not.
It is too.
It is not.
Hopefully, guys, we didn't screw this up. I don't know.
No, that's
And see, you said mine was going to be the winner.
I was wrong.
In a good way, right?
Mr. Mom's Racing over.
Ow.
Mr. Mom's Racing.